Thank you for joining us tonight, and welcome to a great year at North Thurston High School. Canvas is the learning platform we use at NTHS. It is a secure environment that works like a digital classroom. Teachers can share lessons and supportive resources, and students can access class materials, complete assignments, and connect with teachers and classmates. Perhaps best of all, Canvas provides a unified launchpad for students to find all of the digital resources that will support their learning. Logging into Canvas is like walking into the doors of North Thurston. Students arrive at a dashboard that shows a tile for each of their classes. Canvas also creates a to-do list of all of their assigned work, but students can also click on a tile to visit one class at a time. A calendar coordinates all assignments from all classes, showing when they are due and actually allowing students to click on assignment posts to open and view the details. There's also an inbox where students can send and receive secure messages with their teacher, and a simple click takes them back to their global dashboard. Within each class, there's a home page that welcomes students and any other learning content a teacher might need to share. There's a class-specific to-do list organized by due date, as well as links to show if feedback has been given or a grade received. There are also modules that organize lessons and assignments like an electronic binder. All remote learning content can be organized here, whether links to outside resources, Google Docs to complete, or slides and videos from the teacher. This makes it wonderfully easy to share with students the same resources that would have been shared in a physical classroom or what is presented during a Google Meet with students. Tonight, as you visit each of your students' Canvas classes, you will have an opportunity to tour this learning environment with each teacher. Tonight, you'll find links for Google Meets for each specific class period taught by each teacher. When you log into their Canvas courses, you'll find separate links on the homepage if that's the first place that students usually go when they log into that teacher's Canvas course. Some teachers use the modules as their homepage so that when students join their course, they enter immediately into learning material. If that's the case, you should see links for specific Google Meets there. Make sure you join the right one at the right time to be able to attend open house with that teacher. Classes will be 15 minutes this evening, followed by a 5-minute break before progressing to the next class. Canvas is easy to find. You can find it by searching for nthurston.instructure.com. Lots of institutions use Canvas. This ensures that you find the North Thurston Public Schools Canvas page. This works on any device, including a mobile device. You can also go on our district webpage and find the Symbaloo learning links. Lots of students are accustomed to using these. Other useful tools are collected here. There's links to curriculum resources that might be used by certain classes, as well as a link to Canvas and several links to Chromebook maintenance ideas and support. We're all learning together. Canvas also provides parents and guardians with the opportunity to become observers of their students. As an observer, you can log into Canvas, see each of your child's classes and the learning content shared by the teachers, as well as monitor your students' progress and participation. We highly encourage you to become a Canvas observer. Perhaps not right now, it's your homework for another time, but in a time of so much uncertainty and so many challenges in communication, this provides a powerful solution that helps unite students, parents, and teachers, building a better team ready to empower the learners that are at the heart of our school and community. Thank you for joining us tonight, and have a wonderful evening.